And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera. Dave Jacobson wants me to tell everybody that he selected that shot. So he selected that shot. 7 degrees is where we're at right now, partly cloudy skies. Our low was 0 at 5 a.m. and our high was 9 degrees at 3 p.m. this afternoon. So 7 degrees and partly cloudy right now. Winds out of the west at 37. They have occasionally gusted a little stronger than that. But we've had this warming trend move in without a whole lot of wind attached to it. It's windy up top. You can see some of those mare's tail clouds when you were observing the sky earlier today. But all in all, at the surface here, not too bad in Lethbridge. We've had windier days when the warm air was moving in, but this wasn't one of them. Humidity's tampered down to 39% right now, and there you see the numbers up on the screen. Temperatures currently in Alberta reflecting that warm air mass that's pushing in from a low on the coast in BC, pushing in impulses of this warm air, so we're already starting to pick up some of that. We're going to have this solidly moving into southern Alberta in the form of an area of high pressure, and that's going to happen overnight tonight and into tomorrow, and it's actually going to extend into parts of southern BC as well. So when you look at the satellite map, you can see the rotation of cloud cover pushing out of the northwest into the southeast. That's the trajectory. The area of high pressure is trying to push eastward as well, but it's a little protected bubble here. And so around that bubble is where that flow of snow is happening in some areas, some mixed precipitation in other areas. But in northern BC, northern Alberta, as far south as Edmonton, and then into the Coronation area, picking up some of that precipitation. And it's really sort of has to drain itself. It doesn't have anywhere to go because an area of high pressure, cold Arctic air is still affecting Saskatchewan, so Regina's at minus 18, but with the wind chill there, it feels like minus 27. So the forecasts are indicating that mixed precipitation caught up in that flow out of the northwest, moving to the southeast. But here in the south, we're doing pretty good. We'll have a sun and cloud mix, and that's what most of this is here tomorrow, is just a little bit of cloud cover. And then as we get further into the daytime hours tomorrow, the more clearing skies we get. So we've got a nice stretch moving ahead. 1 degree in St. John's. They have snow squall warnings out for the western edge of that province of Newfoundland. And then in through the Maritimes, snow squall warnings out for the St. Lawrence River, especially through the mouth of the St. Lawrence River and along the eastern edge of the Great Lakes. Minus 23 and blowing snow in Winnipeg, blowing snow in Saskatchewan, in the Regina area in Saskatoon. There's warnings out for blowing snow there. Pleasant 3 degrees in Edmonton, cloudy and 8 degrees rather in Vancouver. They got some sunshine today in Whitehorse, and Yellowknife minus 29 degrees, and they saw a few rays of sunshine there as well. Overnight forecast in East Kootenay, you're looking at partly cloudy skies tonight, minus 6 for a low, 2 degrees. Mainly cloudy, chance of a flurry overnight tonight, maybe early tomorrow morning, just caught up in that flow. But then the area of high pressure moves in and kind of scours that all out. Crow's Nest Pass, a few clouds tonight, 0, windy tonight, windy tomorrow, sunshine for you tomorrow, and 7 degrees for a daytime high. In Medicine Hat, you're looking at just a few flurries tonight, minus 3 degrees for low. Tomorrow, partly cloudy by the afternoon hours, maybe a leftover flurry or two in the morning, 2 degrees for a daytime high. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at minus 2 for a low. We'll have increasing cloud in the overnight hours, windy conditions, well, as windy as we've gotten, which wasn't really very windy, but gusting to about 40. And then a sun and cloud mix tomorrow. And look at those temperatures. We start to see those numbers really moving up and hanging in. I mean, average is 0 for us at this time of the year. So we've got several days of these milder conditions and lots of sunshine. So our CTV Citizen Salute is Andrea. Andrea has actually been working for a lot of charities over the last several years, probably the last 20 that she's been actually delivering meals for different shut-ins in the city. So that's a wonderful thing for her to do. And Daryl Rummold is shaping up for his salute. There he goes. I gotta love that. That ends my week. Have a good weekend, everybody. We'll see you Monday.